Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Unpacked. All right. This is going to be a great day. With the Galaxy Fold, you get a powerful smartphone and a revolutionary tablet, all in a single premium package. When it's folded, it has a 4.6-inch display. It's compact and perfectly portable. But when the device opens up, your world does too. With a massive 7.3-inch Infinity Flex display that transforms the Fold into a tablet. One of the biggest challenges was building the backbone of the device, something that could hold strong, even after hundreds of thousands of folds and unfolds. So we invented a sophisticated hinge system that allows you to open and close the Galaxy Fold smoothly and naturally. And the beauty of it is, you don't even see it. The hinge's multiple interlocking gears are hidden, giving the device a seamless, elegant look. We also gave you 4 galactic colors to choose from: Cosmos Black, Space Silver, Martian Green, or Astro Blue. When closed, it fits right in the palm of your hand. So you can send a message to a friend or make a call with one hand while you're on the go. And the interior screen is so large that it powers a truly next-generation experience, one never before seen on a smartphone. 3-app multitasking. You can watch a YouTube video of Hawaii, text your friend about it, and browse travel options all at the same time. And the key to making this possible is called app continuity. And what that means is that you can switch between the screens without missing a beat. So, when you stumble across an interesting Facebook post on the front display, you can simply unfold your phone to see all the details on the bigger screen. The Fold has a state-of-the-art 7-nanometer processor and 12 gigabytes of RAM, making it one of the most powerful smartphones on the market. There's 512 gigs of onboard memory, and for the first time on a mobile device, support for Universal Flash Storage 3.0. How did we build a battery into a phone that folds right down the middle? The answer is we built 2 of them, one on each side of the device. Our engineers have developed special technology to combine energy from both batteries into a single power source. Now that is a whole lot of power. And the camera is just as flexible as the rest of the device. In fact, it's actually a system of 6 cameras, 3 on the back, 2 on the inside, and 1 on the front. The Fold will always be ready to capture the moment no matter which way you hold it or you fold it. The Fold comes in both an LTE and a 5G version, starting from $1,980, depending on your region and carrier. And you can get your very own Galaxy Fold starting on April 26th.
Ladies and gentlemen, please say hello to the Galaxy S10 Plus.
Today, we're introducing the world's first Infinity O display on AMOLED. This is a truly next-generation cinematic experience, and with the world's first dynamic AMOLED display, the S10 delivers peak brightness up to 1200 nits and can produce more than 16 million colors at 100% color volume. This is going to be the most color-accurate display ever on a mobile device. This display also supports HDR10+. Embedded directly beneath the screen is the world's first ultrasonic fingerprint scanner. The S10 comes in a variety of stunning new prismatic hues. Or you can choose one of 2 premium ceramic finishes, ceramic white and ceramic black. For capturing everyday moments, you have the wide-angle camera. With a 77-degree field of view, you can take amazing crystal-clear photos day or night. And when you need to zoom in, the telephoto camera's optical zoom gets you twice as close. Now finally, at 123 degrees, its field of view matches that of the human eye. So with this camera, what you see is what you get. The ultra-wide camera transforms the way you take all kinds of photos. We've combined the powers of the wide angle and the ultra-wide cameras to give you better perspective when using live focus. They're more artistic too, with new effects that let you change the lighting and the background blur. You can use the color point feature to fade the colors around the edges, or mix it up with a fun zoom or spin effect. The S10 can even provide composition tips for your photo, like where to place the subject in the frame, or whether your photo is level. The S10 is the first mobile device in the world capable of recording video in HDR10+. The S10 shoots super steady videos on par with what you'd find in most action cameras. We've added dual pixel technology, which lets you take better pictures in low light and significantly improves autofocus. So now you can spend more time composing your shot and less time waiting for your camera to focus. With the S10 Plus, you get 2 front cameras that work together to capture depth of field, meaning you can take beautiful live focus selfies just like these. And that's why we made sure that the S10's front camera supports UHD video, so you can capture high-quality content.
And today, with the Galaxy S10 Plus, you can get up to 12 gigabytes of RAM and 1 terabyte of base storage. And if that's not enough, it also comes with our standard micro SD slot, so you can expand your memory up to 1.5 terabytes. Its new processor enables up to 29% faster CPU speeds and 37% faster GPU speeds than the S9. The S10 Plus is equipped with an all-day battery. Lasts up to 25% longer than the previous model. That's because we added a new layer of intelligence that delivers even more efficient power management. By learning how you use your phone, the S10 identifies the apps that you use less often. Then it automatically optimizes their CPU settings to consume less power. And it only gets smarter over time. The S10's battery is more intelligent and more powerful than ever before. And in fact, it's so powerful that it can power more than just your phone. That's why we built the same technology we use in our wireless chargers right into the S10, transforming your device into a wireless charging pad. When it comes to charging your own device, our S10 lineup supports fast wireless charging 2.0. which can charge from 0 to 100 up to 36% faster than before. We're pleased to announce that the S10 is the first ever mobile device compatible with Wi-Fi 6. The Galaxy S10 is a next-generation device, and we've designed 3 different models so you can choose which version is right for you. The S10 offers a premium Galaxy experience with all the features you've come to know and love over the last decade. The S10 Plus supercharges that experience, giving you more screen, more cameras, and more battery. And the S10e has all the essentials in a more compact form factor. So no matter what you're looking for, there's a state-of-the-art Galaxy that's perfect for you.
First up, the all-new Galaxy Buds. These wireless earbuds deliver a premium audio experience with sound by AKG. We built them with adaptive dual microphones, one on the outside, one on the inside. When it's quiet, the outer mic captures the sound of your voice. And when it gets louder, the buds switch to the inner mic to pick up your voice directly from you. So no matter where you go or what you're doing, the person will be able to hear you loud and clear. They're 30% smaller than our previous version, making them our lightest, most compact, and most comfortable wireless earbuds yet. We created a high-efficiency chipset for the Galaxy Buds so you can take up to 5 hours of calls or stream up to 6 hours of music on a single charge. The Galaxy Buds come in an all-new cord-free charging case. This case supports wireless charging for the very first time. And of course, that means you can charge it using wireless power share with your S10. The Galaxy Buds are smarter, more efficient, and better sounding than ever. They look just as good as they sound, and they'll be available starting March 8th. These new wearables are designed to enhance every aspect of your life. The Galaxy Watch Active is slim and lightweight, so you'll always be comfortable wearing it. We rebuilt the watch's body with a sleek new aluminum that's super light. We also redesigned the strap using a soft, durable material that's comfortable when you're hitting the gym or hitting the hay. Galaxy Watch Active is also 5 ATM water resistant, so you can wear it while you're swimming. But if you want a wearable dedicated just to fitness, like checking your heart rate or counting your steps, then the Galaxy Fit might be the right fit for you. At 23 grams, the Galaxy Fit is about as light as a single strawberry. And just like the Galaxy Watch Active, it's durable and water resistant. Don't let the sleek, minimal design fool you. With a color AMOLED display and full touch capabilities, the Galaxy Fit is a powerful fitness companion that gives you essential information about your health at a single glance. And with a long-lasting battery, you can keep it going for about a week on a single charge. With sleep tracking, the Galaxy Watch Active and the Galaxy Fit can analyze the different stages of sleep, including REM and deep sleep, giving you more insight into your health than ever before. They include heart rate monitors and offer continuous stress tracking to keep you calm when life gets overwhelming. Whether you want a premium smartwatch or a straightforward fitness band, there's a next-generation wearable that's perfect for you. If you're looking for a new tablet, you can pick up the Tab S5e, our thinnest and lightest yet.
It's my pleasure to introduce the Galaxy S10 5G. The S10 5G comes with a stunning 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED display, as well as a 4,500 milliamp hour battery. That's the biggest screen and the biggest battery ever on a Galaxy S device. And your device will charge quickly too, because it comes with a special 25-watt charger. To power these experiences, we outfitted S10 5G with a cutting-edge camera system that includes a powerful new 3D depth sensing camera. We are excited for you to experience the magic 5G. And this is just the beginning. In the coming years, we're going to evolve from blazing speeds, uninterrupted connectivity, and true mobility to truly connected living.
I look forward to working with all of you to make the next era of mobile innovation even more amazing than the first. Thank you. Thank you.